Senator Mark Warner spoke with small business owners in Charlottesville this afternoon about a bill that could make it easier for them to get the cash they need to expand. NBC 29's Caroline Colburn joins us live in our Charlottesville newsroom with details. Hi, Caroline.
Hi, Casey. Senator Warner proposed Senate Bill 2155 back in November. The bill would make it easier for small community banks and credit unions to loan money to small businesses and families. More than 24 business owners came out to the county office building today to learn more about the bipartisan bill, which the Senate committee approved back in December. Senator Warner says he came to Charlottesville for input because the area has experienced higher levels of growth compared to other parts of the state. He's hoping to find out what else beyond the banking bill folks in Washington, D.C. can do to ensure small businesses have the tools they need to expand and add more jobs.
They didn't create the financial crisis 8 or 9 years ago, but we're now 8 or 9 years after the passage of the so-called Dodd-Frank bill, and it's time to come in and keep what's good, which is keep those tight regulations on the big Wall Street banks, but try to give some relief for the Main Street banks where a lot of the small business lending is done.
The 2155 is expected to be heard on the floor of the Senate as early as next week. The bill has been endorsed by the Virginia Association of Community Banks and the Virginia Bankers Association. Senator Warner expects it to pass the Senate with more than 70 votes next week.